Virgo, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 23 to 29, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan, so promote ko lang ang bracelet ng Virgo. So this is in alignment ng energy ng mga Virgo. Meron tong moss agate, turquoise, at amazonite. So this is available sa aking Shopee, link on the description. So let's begin. Virgo, what is up for Virgo, October 23 to 29? You have the Five of Pentacles, the Emperor, you have the Eight of Pentacles, and the Magician. So, for you, Virgo, kung nagkaroon kayo ng mga challenges sa inyong finances, things are changing for the better. You're going to be more in control of your finances. With the Emperor card here, I see na meron kang solusyon na dito. Some of you are also going to focus on generating more money, work. Marami kang mga bagong ideas. And you will also tap into your talents, your abilities. Hindi lang to dun sa trabaho na ginagawa natin na naka-autopilot. Ito ay may kinalaman rin talaga sa iyong mga talento. No? Lahat tayo may talents and skills. And for some of you, you're going to explore more of that. And you will have this confidence sa sarili mo na, oy, kaya ko to. Things are going to get better. Oo. Yung iba kasi sa inyo meron kayong inaasahan na nagbibigay sa inyo ng financial assistance, tapos kumbaga binitawan na kayo or gusto nila na mas maging independent kayo. Okay? So, some of you naman merong nangailangan ng tulong na somehow nakaapekto sa inyong financial situation. Oo, kaya medyo nahirapan kayo na makabawi. But this week, marami kang mga gagawin, marami kang mga opportunities na nag-open sa'yo to generate more income. So, gagamitin mo yung abilidad mo. What is the Five of Pentacles? You have the Nine of Pentacles. Wow. So, this is financial stability, no? Financial independence. I think yung iba sa inyo, kumbaga, minor setback pagdating sa finances. Ganun naman talaga. Minsan meron tayong biglaang pinagkakagastusan, unexpected, but ang importante is, alam natin kung paano mag-bounce back. Alam natin paano bumawi. What is the Emperor? You have the Lovers. Oh, meron kang support from the people who cares about you. So, maaring romantic partner mo to, or someone na family member, mahal sa buhay. Can be a father figure or someone na talagang maasahan mo sa family. Oo. Some of you naman, you might be entering a very serious commitment. This can be romantic commitment, romantic relationship. Yung iba, this can be a business venture na meron kayong makakasamang iba rito. What is the Eight of Pentacles? You have the Nine of Swords. Yung iba sa inyo, multiple jobs. Kaya lang be careful kasi parang masyadong busy to the point na minimal na lang yung tulog ninyo. Okay? Meron ditong nagtatrabaho kahit gabi. Nagpupuyat. Oo. Pwedeng double job na meron kang day job, meron ka ring night job na part-time. What is the Magician? You have the Daughter of Swords. You are really learning. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong pinag-aaralan habang nagtatrabaho kayo. So gusto nyo pang lalong i-improve ang inyong mga sarili. You love learning. You love new ideas. You love new information. Yung iba sa inyo magaling kayo sa communication, sa expression. You have, wow, ang ganda nito. Sun in Taurus in the second house. Second house is about your money, your assets, your values, and you have the sun there. The sun is about happiness. This is confidence. So, I think magkakaroon ka ng fulfillment in terms of your finances and yung mga valuables mo. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, meron kayong maipupundar, no? Dito sa pinagkakaabalahan nyo ngayon. You also have Venus in Virgo in the 6th house. 6th house is about your health. So, dalawang 6th house to. So, some of you, Virgo, are going to take care of your health. Maaring iba sa inyo magpapa-executive check-up o kaya naman general check-up para mas makita yung current situation ng health ninyo. Yung iba naman, I see you taking care of yourself more, no? Yung tipong may oras at panahon na kayo na magpaspa, magpa-massage, magpa-mani-pedi, ganyan, or, you know, anything na will pamper you, no? Kasi kapag mas binigyan mo rin yung attention yung sarili mo, meron kang sense of, yung fulfillment or sense of being loved, no? Being well taken care of. Hindi naman kailangan lagi ibang taong nag-aalaga sa atin. Kasi ang unang-unang dapat nag-aalaga sa atin yung sarili natin. So, yan yung dapat na hindi nyo i-deprive sa sarili ninyo. Some of you naman, I think meron kang mga aayusin related sa mga ari-arian ninyo, no? Pwedeng meron kayong mga properties na kailangan nyong ayusin yung amilyar or may mga i-renovate kayo or may ipapaayos kayo sa mga properties ninyo. Yung iba pwedeng nagpapa-Airbnb or may bala kayong magpa-Airbnb. You also have self-worth. O, ayan na nga, taking care of yourself, pampering yourself. Why settle for crumbs when you deserve a whole meal? Yes. So, ito yung meron kang clear, meron kang klaro na gusto sa buhay, na alam mong dinideserve mo. That's why you will not settle for anything less than what you deserve. Okay? So, for you, kung nung mga nakaraan, laging ibang tao yung iniisip mo, ngayon, you will also focus on yourself in improving yourself. Okay? Dahil the more na ini-improve mo yung sarili mo, the more na mas maraming opportunities kang maa-attract because mas meron kang sense of worth, kumbaga. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Virgo. See you again.